Welcome! Today let's see how to run two different files together in Electron.js, and also we will ideate some widgets you can make yourself. So my name is Sarwesh and let's start this video. So here is my project. In this I have two desktop widgets. First one is the clock and the other one is the Google search bar. Now here is the complete view of my file structure, as this is important. For both the widgets I have index.html file, main.js file and package.json file. Also I have a main package.json file. As Electron.js uses package.json files at runtime, let's take a look at each file one by one. You can view the files in my GitHub repository. Here is my package.json file of clock widget. This is a pretty much standard file. This has entry. You can even generate this file using generative AI. Same is for the package.json file for Google search bar widget. Now the main action happens in package.json file present in the main folder. Here as we can see, it is not a standard file like the previous files. This contains custom code. To run the files together we have to use the library Concurrently. We can install this using command npm install concurrently. This library allows to run the custom code files at same time. Here I have a start command that fetches and run the main package.json files from both the widgets. Also I have custom codes to run individual widgets while testing. Now let's run both the widgets individually and then we will run both widgets simultaneously. Firstly let's run clock widget. Type the command npm run start clock. This will initialize the clock widget as we can see here. Now time to run the Google search bar widget. Run the command npm run start Google search. This runs the widget. We can search using this widget. This can be very helpful at times. We just need to search something but not willing to start the web browser. I designed this keeping in view lazy peoples like me. Now let's finally test how to run both the widgets together. For this run the command npm run start. As we can see here both of our widgets are successfully running. This means our project is correctly working and it can be used to finally make .exe file, but we will talk about it in next video. So, now let's talk about some of the beginner projects you can make using Electron.js. First, Markdown editor. Create a simple Markdown editor where users can write and preview Markdown content. Utilize libraries like Marked for rendering and allow users to save and load files. Second, To-Do List app. Build a basic to-do list application with features like adding tasks, marking them as completed, and deleting tasks. You can also add functionality to persist tasks using local storage. Third, System Monitor widget. Develop a system monitoring widget that displays essential information about the user's system, such as CPU usage, memory usage, and disk space. Use Node.js to access system-level information. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and share with others. Also, to get notified about our latest videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.